Hey everybody, I am Sean Chartier, and this is Custom Offsets. So for 2019, we've got some big moves for you guys. We're gonna be speeding up shipping times. We're gonna continue to focus on pricing, making sure you guys are getting the absolute best deals. As you know, with like Archon Off-Road, we're going factory direct to get you guys the best pricing on those. And we're just gonna keep beefing up our customer support. The way that we're gonna do that is we've decided to merge with SD Wheel Corp, Mr. Wheel Deal, and Anthem Off-Road. We're gonna create one entity that's 150 team members and has the resources to be able to make the best experience for you guys.
And I'm Steve, and this is SD Wheel. We've been in business since 2003, and we've served hundreds of thousands of customers since then. We started out with just a small store on eBay. We were one of the first guys to start mounting and balancing and selling complete packages on eBay. And in doing that, we were able to start stocking and selling a whole bunch of wheels and tires. You take a 35, 12.5, 20 tire, for example. We stock probably 10 times more SKUs or pieces in our building than anybody else in that particular size. With all the product that we started selling, we worked some great deals with manufacturers. We were able to really just pass on these savings to the customer, give them a huge variety, and Custom Offsets took notice of this. We've been partnering closely with Custom Offsets since 2012. We've been kind of behind the scenes doing the mounting, balancing, assembling. Pretty much anything that you don't see on the website, we were probably handling here at SD Wheel. We've become really good at what we do. We're able to mount, balance, ship product out faster than anybody else. We work really hard on the outbound delivery time from our warehouse to your door, and we work hard on just every facet of the process to make sure that you get your product as soon as humanly possible in great shape, and we make sure it's exactly what you ordered.
So even though we're becoming a bigger company, technically, we're still gonna have that small company attitude. We're gonna be keeping our names, Custom Offsets, Fitment Industries, so on. We're not gonna be changing any of that, but we'll have the resources to be able to give more back to you guys and give more back to this awesome country. 2019 is gonna be a banger every year.